The Senate is now constituted and convened as an impeachment court, and the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte is hereby declared open and called to order.
Bago mag-alas 6:30 ngayong gabi, nag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ang mga senador, isinuot ang kanilang pulang robe maliban kina Senator Amy Marcos, Robin Padilla at Cynthia Villar.
I make this oath ad cautelam without prejudice to the resolution of jurisdictional issues as well as issues pertaining to the validity of the impeachment complaint or to the filing thereof.
Ako po ay manunumpa pero meron pong reserbasyon.
Kasunod niyan, nanumpa na ang 22 senador bilang impeachment court judges.
I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God.
Bago ang oath-taking, iginit pa ni Senator Bato de la Rosa na mag-privilege speech muna siya para ipabasura ang impeachment complaint. Ngunit tumutol ang ilang senador dahil alas 4 ng hapon ang napagkasundo ang schedule ng oath-taking. Naantala rin ito ng ilang oras dahil nagdiskusyon pa ang mga senador.
We will be honoring that what was agreed upon yesterday, but this is a personal collective privilege.
It's a privilege speech. This is not a privilege motion. So my motion is to execute and implement what was agreed upon yesterday. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we take our oath.
It was very clear yesterday that we agreed that before I take my oath as member of the impeachment court, I should have delivered my privilege speech. That's why I made it a precondition to my approval or to my agreement to the motions yesterday, provided let me first deliver my privilege speech. And very clear, it was agreed by the minority leader.
No, Mr. President, no. It was stressed the convening of the court. That was the issue. And the agreement natin, the oath-taking is not the convening of the court.
Ayon kay De La Rosa, constitutionally impaired ang ipinasa sa kanilang impeachment complaint dahil lumabag ang Kamara sa sarili nilang internal rules. Napo na rin niya ang kanyang last minute na pagpapasa ng Kamara ng impeachment complaint sa Senado.
I respectfully move that in view of its constitutional infirmities and questions on the jurisdiction and authority of the 20th Congress, the verified impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte be dismissed.
Sinakayunan ni Senator Bongo ang motion ni De La Rosa. Pero sabi ni Senadora Risa Ontiveros, dapat mag-oath-taking muna ang mga senator judges gaya ng napagkasunduan.
Para sa wakas, bigyang daan yung inaprubahan nating motion kahapon na manumpa na po kaming I still have the floor. I have the floor, Mr. President. I have the floor, Mr. President, to make way for taking of the oath before the presiding officer, Mr. President.
Iginit din ni Senator Joel Villanueva na impeachment court ang magdedesisyon sa gusto ni Bato. Bagay na sinangayunan ni Senate President Chis Escudero. Lalo pang uminit ang tensyon ng muntik sugurin ni Padilla sa Villanueva. Si Villanueva ang nagpanukala na agad mag-convene ng Senado bilang impeachment court para matalakay ang motion to dismiss ni De La Rosa. Tinutulan ito ni Padilla dahil ang napag-usapan daw ay bukas pa mag-convene ng Senado bilang impeachment court. Kasunod ng ruling ni Escudero na dapat nang i-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court, nagkamay at nagyakapan naman sina Padilla at Villanueva. Ngayong gabi, sa halip na i-dismiss ang reklamo, ang isinulong ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
I move to amend the motion of Senator De La Rosa to dismiss. And instead, I move that we return the articles of impeachment to the House until such time that they certify to us that they did not violate the Constitution.
Sa botohan, lamang ang mga pabor sa motion ni Cayetano.
With 18 affirmative votes, 5 negative votes, 0 abstention, the motion of Senator Cayetano is carried.
Si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, bagamat hindi rin makikialam sa Senado, naniniwalang maaaring itawid ang impeachment trial sa 20th Congress.
What is the controversy? It is very clear that it will, because there's no way that even if they start the trial now, that they will